expulsion,
occupation, rocket, shelter,
refugee camps,
checkpoint,
suicide bombings,
no water, no dignity,
no right,
no safety,
discrimination,
anger,
confusion,
fear,
suffering, generalization,
hatred.
racism.
We are angry, we are afraid, we are sad.
We want to bring back the dead. We have to let go of hatred.
We need to overcome fear.
We're tired of revenge. We want the future to be clear. We want peace, we need peace, oh yeah. We can live together in this land, yeah. We may all be wrong, we may all be right, but the best way is to stop the fight. We can make the future bright, we should all have equal rights. No racism, no discrimination, together we can change the situation. Together we can change the situation.
We all feel confusion and we need a solution to stop all the fights and give us our rights. We should be friends, we must understand. War is not the way,
Hatred will go away.
effort we make, responsibility we take. We struggle, I swear, 'cause about each other we care. Although we can't forget, we can do our best. And if we forgive,
In a better future we live.
put your egos on the side, give up hatred and false pride.
Together we can